think the mission, the goal of the MiLL is really to create students who can go directly into industry if that's what they wanted, to be able to create a situation where students can go to work and go to college at the same time if they would like.
We start out with the basics. We start out identifying wood, learning how to use a tape measure, and then as we progress through the program, we then start talking a lot more about learning how to design. We learn estimating, figuring out the material we need, and we take the wood portion of it all the way from the mill to finished material.
The partnership of Stiles and Peyton Woods Manufacturing as well as the MiLL is really the foundation of what has been created. This is a situation where industry has donated or is allowing the school districts to use their equipment to teach the students to go directly into a business, into industry, or into education.
My favorite part of the program at the MiLL is like using all the machines, learning about all the hand tools, and just learning about what you could do with all this wood. If another student is thinking about coming to the MiLL, I would tell them to pursue it because this is an opportunity that you do not want to miss.
So far throughout the MiLL, my favorite part of the program is that they are really hands-on with you, and it's not really them showing you what you have to do or what is throughout this trade, but they'll give you a little run through and then you get to do it yourself and actually experience it and really learn it.
The most rewarding part of this job is being able to see the growth in these kids. As we're teaching life skills. Be perfectly honest with you, if they never touch another piece of wood, I don't care. But if I can teach them to be successful, contribute to society, I've done my job.
My instructors at the MiLL were, I'd say, really they're more so like a mentor and not really like a teacher. My favorite part of attending the MiLL was probably building our own cabinets and being able to just use all the machines, and especially in high school, that was awesome.
The MiLL helped me prepare for woodworking because it gave me that insight that this is something I wanted to do, something I wanted to actually put the effort toward. I didn't want to sit in an office and behind a desk all day. I wanted to move around and use my hands with stuff, and the creative outlet of it was definitely inspirational.
Our economy can't afford for every student to go to a four-year university. Our shortage is in skilled trades, and that's exactly what we're teaching in a facility like this. And so it's important they can get their education right there at their high school and be contributing members to the economy and society right out of high school.
How I would define success over the next 5 to 10 years between the partnership of Stiles Machinery and the MiLL would be to continue to see the class sizes increase. So right now the MiLL is hosting around 140 students a year. In 5 years, I'd love to see that number at 300 and 400, and maybe even see other school districts start to invest in courses and structure like the MiLL and Peyton School District has done to continue supply the industry with good, educated talent.